So today we are going to see about pressure in gases. Like liquid, gases also exert pressure on a body. Next we go for atmospheric pressure. Our earth is surrounded by the air, which is referred to as the earth atmosphere. The pressure exerted by the air column above us is called atmospheric pressure. Are we feeling the atmospheric pressure? No. Why? Because our blood pressure balances the atmospheric pressure. Now, by doing one activity, we are proved how the atmospheric pressure is present. So, this is the tin can with the small opening, and this can is filled with half of water. Now, keep the stand on the tripod stand. Keep the tin on the tripod stand. Now, with the help of Bunsen burner, now we on the burner. So if we are increasing the heat, what happened? The water changes into water vapor. So the water vapor is coming through the hole. After seeing the water vapor through the hole, now switch off that Bunsen burner. Now close this hole with some cork. Okay, so this is now we are closing this. Here we have the water. So after this, if we are pour the cold water, what happening? Now we are decreasing the temperature. So due to the decrease in temperature, again the water vapor changes into water. So in that case, here they are creating a low pressure. But the atmospheric pressure is acting in all the direction and the pressure value is higher than that. So all the particles want to move from higher pressure to lower pressure. So it crosses the tin. So the tin shape changes to this. This is because of the atmospheric pressure. The same way, next experiment. Take a tumbler or a glass. Fill the tumbler water up to the brim and take one cardboard above the tumbler. Okay, now just invert this position. So this is tumbler and here we have a cardboard. So we are expecting that after inverting, the cardboard want to fall down, but the cardboard is not, till now it is just on the brim of the glass. Why? As you know that the liquid pressure is acting in downward direction, but that pressure is balanced by the atmospheric pressure acting in a upward direction. That's why the cord remains on the brim of the glass. From these two experiments, it is proved that the atmospheric also having a pressure. So next we go for standard value of atmospheric pressure. So here we are using this barometer. It is important. This barometer is a device used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Here we are using a mercury. Why we are using mercury? Because mercury have a high density. That's why we are using mercury. Next, the atmospheric pressure at sea level at 45 degree latitude at a temperature of 0 degree Celsius is considered to be a standard atmospheric pressure, and the standard value is 0.76 meter, that is height of the mercury column, or P is equal to HTG. If you know the value of height and if you know the density of mercury, then the atmospheric pressure value is equal to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Okay, this is the standard atmospheric pressure value. Next, variation of atmospheric pressure. There are two variations. It is important. As a temperature, atmospheric pressure is maximum at sea level. So if we are moving in a higher altitude, the pressure is decreasing. The second one, in a winter season, the atmospheric pressure is more, and in summer season the atmospheric pressure is less. These are two variation of atmospheric pressure. Next we are going to see a three example of effect of atmospheric pressure. First one is syringes. Here this is the syringe and here we have a needle. So in syringe we have one piston. Okay, first we are push the piston into the lower side of the syringe. Then we are keeping one bottle with some liquid medicine. Okay, now we are just pull the piston in an upward direction. So if you are pulling the piston in upward direction, we are creating a low pressure here. But atmospheric pressure is acting on the liquid. So they want to move from high pressure to low pressure to occupy this area. So the liquid is moving inside the syringe. This is how the liquid rises in a syringe when the piston is moving in a upward direction. Okay, this is because of the due atmospheric pressure. And second one, and astronauts wear a special chute to maintain the pressure equal to the atmospheric pressure. As you know that if you are moving in upward direction, the pressure is very low, but our body blood pressure is more. So the particle want to move from higher pressure to lower pressure, they may burst our veins. So to prevent that, they are wearing a special space chute. Next, the same concept, as a higher altitude atmospheric pressure is low, but our body pressure blood pressure is high. So if you are moving in a mountain region, outer atmospheric pressure is low but our body pressure is high. So the particles want to move from high pressure to low pressure, so the blood want to come outside. So some people have a problem of nose bleeding. Not only person, if you are taking a hero fountain pen, that is also start leaking while if you move to the higher altitude. Okay, these are the some effect of atmospheric pressure. So remaining go through by yourself. So up to this we are conclude this class. Thank you.